Hi everyone, welcome to the next lecture in our bit manipulation series. So in this lecture, we will work with characters. Okay, and I have created a playlist on bit manipulation. So I'll keep on updating the playlist and we'll cover a lot of problems on bit manipulation. So you can follow the playlist and if you want, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's move forward. So our problem is convert uppercase to lowercase, right? And we are working with characters, so uppercase character to lowercase character, right? And for that I will take help from sky table. Okay, let me open the sky table. So this is my sky table, right? No need to learn all these values. I just want to work with characters. Okay, so these are my uppercase characters. Okay, let me highlight them. These are my uppercase characters and these are my lowercase characters. Okay, so you don't need to learn all these values. Okay, just remember the starting value of uppercase character and lowercase character. That will be fine. Okay, so what is the uppercase value of A, capital A? So it is nothing but 65. Okay, sky value of capital A is 65. Now, what is the sky value of small a? It is nothing but 97, right? It is nothing but 97. Now, if you want to find the value of other characters, you can find, right? So if you want to find the sky value of capital Z, you can find. So if you add 65 plus 25, why? Because we are including this also. Okay, so this will be nothing but 0, 9. So sky value of Z will be capital Z will be 90. Similarly, if you want to find the sky value of small z, so you can add 25 in 97. 97 plus 25, that will be 12, 9 to 11, and this will be 122. Okay, so this will be 122. You can verify it. So it is 90 and it is 122, right? So that's how you can find all these values. Okay, based on the numbers. Now back to the problem. So I want to convert this uppercase character to lowercase character. Okay, I know the sky value of capital A is 65 and the sky value of small a is 97. Okay, so if you see, what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? So this is nothing but 97 minus 65. Okay, it is 2 and it is 3. So the difference between these two is 32. Okay, so the difference between these two is 32, and that's what we need, right? So I hope you can guess it, right? What I'm going to do. So if I take any uppercase character and if I add 32 in it, it will become my lowercase character, right? Now if I take B, let's say capital B, and if I add 32 in it, what will happen? It will convert into small b, right? So its value is 97, its value will be 98, right? Because each character, see, in uppercase also, in lowercase also, each character is increasing by one value. Okay, one sky value. So these values are in decimal values. Okay, in sky table, if you see, in sky table, these are values in decimal values. Okay, so if you take C and if you do add 32, it will become small c, right? And so on. Now one way is, what I can do, I can just take a character. Let's say I take a character and name it as ch. Okay, and let's take it a, and simply what I will do, I will just print. So these values are in decimal. Okay, I will typecast it in character if I want to show the character. And what I will do, I'll just take this character and will add 32 in it. Okay, so it will give me the answer in lowercase. Okay, lowercase character will be printed. But you will say, where is bit manipulation here? right? You just added 32 in it. Where is bit manipulation? Plus is not bitwise operator. It is not bitwise operator, right? It is not bitwise operator. So where we are using bitwise manipulation? So if if you see what we are doing, we are adding 32. We are adding 32. So if I take help of a sky table from here, let me take this. Okay, this is my sky table. Can I take something from my sky table? Can I take something from my sky table? So if I take, what is the value of this 32? What is the value of this 32? This is nothing but space. Okay. So how space can be represented in the table? So they have written the space. Okay. So what if I don't use this 32, and what if I take space? So can I write it like this way also? Char plus space, right? I can write this way also. But here also, where is bitwise manipulation? Where is bitwise manipulation? Nothing is there, right? So how to convert this? How to convert this in bitwise operation? Okay, so we are not using any bitwise operator, right? So what I can do? Let me again write the value of capital A. What is the value of capital A? If you recall this, what is the value of capital A? It is 65, right? So 65 can be written as, this is 64, this is 32, this is 16, 8, 4, 2, and 64 plus what we need to do? We need to add only 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Correct? Now it will go till Z. Correct? And what was the value of Z? So it was 65 plus 25. This is 90. Right? Don't overwhelm with this numbers. Right? You can take help from sky tables. Okay, no issues. So this is nothing but 90. Okay, what is the binary representation of 90? So I will take 64 and it will remain 90 minus 64. So it will be 26, right? I will take 16, I will take 8, and I will take 2. Okay, so I guess this is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay, so 64 plus this is 24 plus this is 2. Okay, it will be 90. So this will be 90, right? Now, if you see this, if you see this pattern, so my value is starting from 65 and it goes till 90, correct? And this bit, the bit at 64 value is always set. Why? Because it will be always greater than 65, right? 65, 66, 67, 68 till 90. Okay, so this bit will be always set. But these bits will keep on changing. Okay, these bits will keep on changing. Now I want to add 32 in it. So if you observe here, this is my 32 and this is my 32. So this bit is unset in all these uppercase values. The 32 bit is unset. You can write all these values, right? See, if in A it is unset, if in Z it is unset, so it means that in between also it will be unset, right? Because no value is there. So I want to add 32, right? To convert, let me write it here. To convert uppercase to lowercase, I just want to add 32 in my uppercase character. Correct? That we know. Now, how I can add 32 using bitwise operators? Okay, so if we observe this bit is always unset. So if I take any character, let's say I take A only. This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and this will be 64. Right? So this is my character. Okay. And what I want to convert it in lowercase character. Okay. So I will take a mask. And perform bitwise operation. I'll take a mask and perform bitwise operation. Now, what I want to do here? what I want to do here, I just want to set this bit, nothing else. I just want to set this bit. So in any of the uppercase character, if you set this bit, if you set this bit, this will be nothing but lowercase character of the particular character, particular uppercase character. Correct? I hope you are clear with this till now. What I have done, as we know that we have to add 32 to convert uppercase into lowercase. Okay, and if we do binary representation of all these values, we can clearly see that the the bit at 32 position, the bit at 32 value is unset. Okay, is reset or unset, both are same things. Okay, so simply what I need to do, I need to just set this bit, that's it. So what I will do, I will take a mask. Okay, and this is my 32, this is my 64. So I will just set this bit. Okay, nothing else, and rest will be zeros. Okay, I just want to set this bit. Now which bitwise operator I should use to set this? Okay, which bitwise operator I should use? So if I use bitwise or, what will happen? So let me write the resultant. It will be 1, it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 1, it will be 1. So here we can see that my bit at this position is set now. Okay, and what is the equivalent value of this? Let me write the equivalent value of this. So this is 64, this is 32, and this is 1. Okay, it is nothing but 97, which is nothing but lowercase value of a. Correct? So we know that uppercase value of a is 65 and lowercase value of a is 97. Got it? So what we can simply do, we can simply do a bitwise or of my uppercase character. Okay, let me write properly. Uppercase character and bitwise or with what? With 32. Okay, that's it, and we just need to cast it in char. Okay, or if you don't want to write this 32, you can take space also. So take uppercase character and do bitwise or with space. Okay, and typecast it in character. So that's way, this way you can do. Okay, so what are the all ways we have discussed? First way is take a character, add 32 in it, that's it. Second way is take a character, okay, add space in it, it's also same. Okay, third is take a character, do bitwise or with 32. Okay, fourth is take a character and do a bitwise or with space. Okay, so all are doing the same thing only. Okay, here we are just taking the number directly, and here we are taking the character value, okay, which will convert it in ASCII and then do the operation. Okay, so these are all ways. Basically we just want to add 32 in our character, that's it. Okay, whatever way possible to add 32, you can do this. Okay, so these two ways are using bitwise manipulation. We are using bitwise or. Okay, using bitwise or. Okay, so let's go to our VS code and we will run this and check whether it is correct or not. Okay, so this is my code. Okay, what I have done, I have added 32 in character, I have added space in character, I have done bitwise or of character with space, and I have done a bitwise or of character with 32. Okay, and let me run this. So yeah, you can see in the output, see all are small a. Okay, even if you take any uppercase character, okay, from a to z, so it will be, let me run this. See, it will be converted in lowercase character. Okay, so this is how we can convert uppercase to lowercase. Okay, and let's move forward to next problem.